Welcome back to another chapter of this video. So from the first law of thermodynamics out, we did the example that I explained. So you can go to that one and see how I did it. Okay, this is a continuation of another example of it. So first of all, it says that in the compression stroke of a gas engine, the work done on the gas by the piston is 90 kilojoules per kg. So even if you hear compression, that means at this point, over here, that means it went down. Okay, it went down to the stream. So in the compression stroke of a gas engine, the work done on the gas, so the gas is over here, so it's coming from this to this side too as well. So at this point, we now have the work A to be equal to 90 kilojoules per kg here, because work is done on the gas by the piston. So the piston is the one making it down. So let's see. So we know that the question is demanding for the change in specific internal energy. Whenever you hear specific, means that it's what is by is divided by mass, 1 kg of mass. So from the first law, the equation is change in U is equal to the Q minus what? Minus W, or heat minus work done. Then we know that we need to find for our Q, which is equal to QA minus Q out here, whenever you want to solve this. Then we know that from this question, the question is the heat was rejected to the cooling water, which is 52 kilojoules per kg. So that means if it is rejected, Q in is 0 minus, now Q out was rejected, so rejected is 52. Alright, kilojoules per kg here. So now we know that our Q to be equal to negative 52 kilojoules per kg here. Then lastly, our work is equal to our work out minus our work into as well. And the question says that the work was done on the gas by the piston. Okay, so if it's done by the piston, so it's negative. So at this point here, the work out will be 0 because it wasn't given, but the work in was by the piston is this. This is the one doing the work. So it is 90 kilojoules per kg. So now our total work is this. So you now substitute them into it. So now we know that our change in U is equal to, what is our Q here? Now we know that this was is negative 52 here. So let's put the kg per kg out, and minus, then from this side we know that the work is what is negative, right? So at this point that means work is equal to negative 90 kilojoules per kg here. So now we have minus 90 over here. So change in U is equal to negative 52 plus what? Plus 90. So now what's our total answer? So now you're going to get, so if you subtract this from this, you're going to get 38 kilojoules per kg here. So this is the final solution.